Sorry, but to watch this video, I recommend to turn your phone to the left. Thank you. So, I continued learning Python and recently finished my biggest project. Since I'm a beginner who is learning herself, it is very childish, and I know that any good Python programmer would call this a piece of garbage. But I'm proud of myself. Just a few months ago, I couldn't imagine I'd write 617 lines of code that actually works. What does it do though? Let's run it and check it out. It first asks your name and if you want to play a game and know what tree you could be. And if you say no, it says you are a baobab and shows a funny baobab picture. Let's try it again, but try to say yes instead. It then asks my height. Then about my personal qualities. My favorite season of the year. And the length of my hair. Voila! Here's the picture of my tree. And there's also its name and a link to Wiki. There are many things to improve in the future. But most importantly, it works. And if the user answers correctly, it won't break. Thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun as well as pain in my trunk writing it. P.S. I was running it not in Python directly, but in my favorite IDE.